Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online class, computer class, 8th class. 8th class, we are reading chapter number 3, Microsoft Access, Queries, Forms and Report. In this, I already finished what is queries and how to develop criteria in the queries. Now, I am going to tell you next point, form. Form in Microsoft Access. A form resembles a fill in the blank sheet that would complete by hand, such as job application. Hence, we can call a form simply a way to enter data into the database. Microsoft Access link a form to a table and store the information enter in the form into the table. It means Microsoft Access provide a link with table. We can enter data in the form. It will give data in the table mode. A form is very good option to use where numerous fields in table. This way we can see all the fields in one screen, where in the table view would have to keep scrolling to get the field we desire. Sometimes we want to wish incomplete data, so it will come in the singular form. And form also familiar with Google form nowadays. You are have Google form, you gave the exam there. This is known as form. There is a predefined format. How to create a form? To create a form, select the table for which we want to create the form by given steps. First, click the create tab. Second, click from the forms group. Access create a form and place all the field of the selected table on the form. Use the navigation bar to move through the record on the form. Here is, first of all, click on the create tab. After that, click on the form. This is our form window. We can do it. There are three ways in which a form can be displayed: form view, layout view and design view. To switch between views, click the view form group of design tab. The three view gets displayed. Form view is used to enter or edit data. It is used for entering. Layout view allows us to see the data as it will appear when we are using the form. We can also change the form design in this view. The form is actually running when it is shown in layout view. In this, we can change the design, and whenever we are using form, it will show in this. Design view gives us more detailed view of the structure. Like we had read description, there is full description about the data. So in this it will show full detail, form header detail and form footer also. Last but not the least, report. In Microsoft Access, a report is an effective way to present our data in a printed format, as we control over the size and appearance of everything on a report. We can display or print the information the way we want to see it. I already told you, report means printed data. Creating a report. To create a report, select the table or query on which we want to create our report and follow the given steps. Click the create tab on the ribbon. We need to click on the create. After that, there is an option report. We need to click on report. After that, Access create a report and places all the field and the corresponding record of the selected table on the reports, like this. There are four views in which a report can be displayed: report, print preview, layout view and design view. We can change the format of our report using the themes. The themes group of design tab means we can give the theme, background, appearances. My chapter is finished. We will do question answer. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.